Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon.
Thank
dear
you.
kids, students, Okay.
Thank you for taking the time to talk with us today.
Okay, that's my pleasure for all of you.
You are very excited to learn about your experience as both university official and then athlete.
Okay.
Can I ask you a few questions about your training?
So please be my guest.
What sport do you play?
I think I play badminton and sometimes running and then swimming and sometimes I go to the gym, but I think that's not regularly what I did.
So productive, ya.
Yes.
How often do you practice in a week?
I think it's about I think it's twice a week, yeah.
Wow. What motivation you to keep improving?
I think I want my body keep healthy since I'm right now is over 50. I'm 51 right now, and I think it's mandatory for me to keep my body in a good condition.
That's great. What's your biggest achievement so far?
I don't think so. I'm quite mediocre about sports, so this is just how I want to become with my habits, but I don't have any good achievement in sport. But looking back these days when I was in university, just like you, sometimes I join with the martial art. Silat, okay, and then right now I prefer take badminton, and I also join as a participant for my what we call Dies Natalis for my university. That's all.
How do you balance your responsibilities as a leader with your training schedule?
Would you repeat again your question, please?
How do you balance your responsibilities as a leader with your training schedule?
So I'm quite busy right now as a lecturer and also as the vice dean in the Faculty of Economics and Business in Universitas Negeri Yogyakarta. So I think this is a personal responsibility, but since my schedule is so hectic, you know that sometimes I skip or miss my sports schedules or exercise schedules. That's my pity, that's my bad.
Thank you very much for sharing your family experience and insight with us today. We are really appreciate your time and experience.
Thank you.
That's my
Thank you.
pleasure also. So keep healthy and happy.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Selamat sore Pak, di sini izin kami dari PJKR Unimed ingin bertanya mengenai beberapa hal. Apa boleh kami bertanya Pak?
Ya silakan, dengan senang hati.
Oke Pak, yang pertama itu olahraga apa yang Bapak tekuni? Itu Pak pertanyaan.
Nah, tentunya sesuai dengan bidang keilmuan saya dan sesuai dengan mata kuliah yang saya ampuh. Yang pertama olahraga tenis, ya. Yang kedua yang menjadi hobi lama olahraga sepak bola. Ya, meskipun olahraga yang lain juga ya, suka juga.
Oke Pak.
Seberapa sering Bapak berlatih dalam seminggu?
Dalam seminggu olahraga tenis minimal 2 kali, ya, minimal 2 kali. Tapi bisa jadi lebih, tergantung. Kadang-kadang kan kita kan sudah tidak menjadi atlet yang untuk ke prestasi yang tinggi ya. Ya antara 3 sampai 2 kali lah.
Oke
Ya,
Pak.
seminggu ya.
Terus Pak, apa yang memotivasi Bapak untuk terus berkembang?
Ya, pastinya kita kan sudah berusia itu ya. Tentunya tujuan olahraga saya ya untuk menjaga kebugaran jasmani ya dan kesehatan ya, untuk menjaga kebugaran jasmani dan kesehatan gitu. Dan juga untuk ya memupuk silaturahmi ya dengan para sahabat gitu.
Oke Pak.
Terus Pak, apa pencapaian terbesar Bapak sejauh ini Pak?
Pencapaian tertinggi karena saya notabene tidak atlet murni ya. Nah, seperti di LPTK ini, ajang LPTK, untuk LPTK sebelumnya di Universitas Negeri Malang. Saya juara 3 di cabang olahraga tenis nomor ganda campuran ya. Kemudian di cabang olahraga petang nomor 2 di nomor triple eksekutif itu.
Terus bagaimana Bapak menyeimbangkan tanggung jawab Bapak sebagai dosen dengan jadwal pemelatihan Pak?
Ya, itu memang tanggung jawab dosen ya, antara tugas utama dan latihan itu sesuatu yang memang harus dapat dilakukan secara baik, secara teratur ya, agar semuanya dapat dilaksanakan dengan hasil yang baik gitu ya. Jadi tidak saling merugikan tugas utama ataupun saat latihan. Jadi intinya kami berusaha untuk menyeimbangkan ya antara tugas dan hal-hal lain yang sifatnya untuk latihan.
Terima kasih Pak atas waktu yang Bapak berikan kepada kami.
Ya. Terima kasih ya, semoga sukses ya. Untuk JKR.
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you for taking the time to talk with us today, sir. We are very excited to learn about your experience as both a university official and athlete. Can I ask you a few questions about your training, sir?
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. What sport do you play, sir?
Actually, I came to University of Medan just to support my team. So I'm not athlete, so just supporter.
Oh, okay, sir.
Any other question?
No, sir.
How often do you practice in a week, sir?
Maybe 2 till 3 times a week.
What motivates you to keep improving, sir?
Okay, because we have to motivate ourselves to doing something, anything to support our health. So don't waiting until you sick, then you doing some exercise or doing some sport. So that we start with ourselves.
That's great. What is your biggest match so far?
Yeah.
How do you balance your responsibilities and reduction with your training schedule?
Okay. Obviously, I made some schedule. What I have to do in daily activities, just to support our daily sport or some exercise. And then I asked to some of my friends how do my perform. It's a good or just to improve some exercise, and they will give some recommendation to what kind of sport best for me.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir, for sharing your valuable expression and insight with us today. We are really appreciate your time and inspiration, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
Good
you,
to see
sir.
you. Yeah.